What's up, guys? This is a Transformer Gundam, and you might notice I'm in my car, and that means it's time for another T.F.G toy hunt. Now, excuse the bad lighting, it is actually getting kind of late, but I am actually on my way to Hobby Lobby because I heard a rumor that they actually started to stock master grade kits. So I wanted to go check it out for myself. Now, the kit in question is kind of an odd choice, but from what I've seen and heard, they actually started stocking the Master Grade RX-78-2 version 1.5, which again is an odd choice. I don't know why they wouldn't go with either the 2.0 or the 3.0, but maybe they just wanted to test the waters and use a cheaper Master Grade kit, kind of see how it goes. If it does, sell well, maybe they'll start bringing in some of the more expensive Master Grade kits. Regardless, let's go check it out, see if they have it, and maybe I'll buy it. I'm not too sure yet. If they have their sale going still for model kits, I might just pick it up for fun. But regardless, let's just go see if they have it. So let's go head over there. Okay, so here we are inside Hobby Lobby. We've got about 30 minutes until closing, so let's make this quick. Looks like no luck, not seeing any master grades here. Got Giant Grogu though. But other than that, looks like this was a bust. So hopefully my Hobby Lobby will be getting it soon, but as of right now, it looks like I don't got it yet. Okay, well obviously that was a bust. Looks like my local Hobby Lobby doesn't have the Master Grade in stock yet, but if you think I'm lying, I'll share a screenshot of a conversation I had with my friend yesterday, since he actually reached out to me and said that his local Hobby Lobby had the Master Grade. So I'll put a quick screenshot of that so you can see what I'm talking about there. And then also in a local Gundam Facebook group I'm in, someone posted a video of his selection at Hobby Lobby, and his actually did have the Master Grade version 1.5, so I just took a quick screenshot of that so you can see it at an actual Hobby Lobby. So maybe I'll have to check back in mine in a few weeks, and maybe then they'll have the new stock. But as of right now, it looks like mine does not yet. So let me know if you guys do happen to see it at your local Hobby Lobby. Be on the lookout. It should be coming in soon, since I'm pretty positive that all the Hobby Lobby locations get all the same kits. So it is cool that they are starting to put out master grades, even though it's only the 1.5. But maybe, if people buy it, they'll start eventually stocking more master grade kits. So only time will tell. Go check out your local Hobby Lobbies. Let me know if you guys do have the 1.5 in stock. And if you do, let me know if you are planning on buying it or not. I think it could be a fun little side project. The old master grade's always fun to work on. I built the 1.0, and even though that kit's pretty dated, it was still pretty fun. So anyways, that's about it for me. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a like. Leave a comment if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. And I know my video schedule has been kind of not there recently. I haven't been making as much videos, especially when it comes to, Gundam stuff. So hopefully this will be a nice kind of return to something that's at least, more normal for my channel. I've just been very busy this month, especially since I am actually preparing for 2 different weddings that I'm a part of this month. So yeah, very busy with that. So just bear with me. I'll try to get back to normal videos as soon as I can. It's just a very busy month for me. So anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.